Welcome back, my name is Vitor and today we're bringing to life a very stupid idea of mine. You know, flamethrower drones, they already exist and they are actually very useful for some very specific tasks like removing stuck objects from power lines. My idea is to make a simple and miniaturized version that you can put on basically any drone. And of course, with the lowest budget possible, as always. The flamethrower uses the same logic as my Iron Man repulsor. The idea is to create a flammable mist of alcohol and then ignite it with a spark. And then we have my old-ass drone to prove the concept that this system can work in basically any type of drone. If we were to compare drones to birds, this one would be a half-blind pigeon missing a leg. But the good part is that it works for its purpose and I don't mind risking it at all. We also need a system to activate both parts while the drone is in the air, remembering that everything needs to be as light as possible. Since I'm out of radio transmitters, I made a simple infrared receiver, so I can activate it using almost any infrared remote. And of course, that's not the best way to activate something like this, but it should work at least for this test. So I'll press a button on my infrared remote and it will trigger the transistors that I just soldered to the activated buttons on both systems, the nebulizer and the spark generator. I built my first design using metal plates and a tic-tac box. Don't judge me. It looked very clean and cool, but at the end, unfortunately, it was too heavy. So I had to remove basically everything and leave just the essentials. I also mounted the system under the drone this time for better stability. I don't know why I put it on the top of the drone before, but now it's better. Wow.
Wow.
I'm not impressed. Now to test this very beautiful creation, I called my drone specialist, Mr. VITOR'S Veterans, which is a very skilled pilot. Might be the best pilot I know. Of course, the first test didn't work, it never does. Turns out the drone was a little unbalanced, and here's Mr. Bettons explaining how dangerous my drone is and suggesting that we should probably do something better with our lives. Here, Mr. Bettons.
Vitão, o drone desmontou, mas a gente segue aqui com esperança aí de tacar fogo nas coisas.
The flamethrower is my masterpiece, but you can see that once in the air, the wind from the drone's propellers interferes with the flames. But even with the airflow, I still think that it works surprisingly well. Honestly, I didn't have much faith that it would work, especially considering we spent less than $10 to make it. So if you like this kind of projects, consider subscribing and leaving the thumbs up so I can see you in the next one. Thank you.